Medical marijuana users are outraged by new laws announced last month, which will mean they can no longer grow their own pot. In Canada, almost 30,000 people are licensed to possess the drug under the medical marijuana program. Of those, 18,000 grow it themselves. But as of April 1st, 2014, only those who've been issued a new license will be able to produce and sell marijuana. And as Jessica Brown reports, some have vowed to fight these new rules all the way to court.
How we can help alleviate the pain.
Jeff Lundstrom has been growing his own medically prescribed marijuana for 12 years after a fall from scaffolding left him with chronic back pain. He says he'll be ignoring the new regulations.
I'm going to grow under the amount of the lot that won't get me mandatory time in jail. So I'll grow the 6 plants in my house and I'll video document the whole thing after the changes to the program. And if they go to court, then we'll go argue it.
Since Health Canada introduced its marijuana medical access program in 2001, it's grown from 500 authorised users to more than 30,000, with around 18,000 authorised to produce their own. But from April next year, that will no longer be allowed. Authorised users will instead have to receive their pot through the mail from a licensed producer.
You don't have money in your pocket to be able to just pay for endless amounts of cannabis grown by commercial growers.
Saskatchewan-based company Prairie Plant Systems is the sole company that's been producing marijuana legally on contract to Health Canada since 2001.
I invite anybody to do the same thing that we're doing in terms of testing. We have 250 quality control points of testing. Every batch lot has to be tested to that standard. So it only seems fair that everybody should be following those same quality control standards.
But this expert says he has concerns.
In general, I prefer grow your own to commercial production and sale because it means that there's not an industry with an interest in maximizing volume, which means maximizing drug abuse. On the other hand, if you think about this as medicine, then you wonder why it's not treated like pharmaceutical.
The new rules have been put in place to address concerns surrounding public health and safety and to eliminate diversion to the black market. Health Canada says it's so far received 34 applications but is yet to issue the first of the licences. Jessica Brown, Global News, Saskatoon.